Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be guiding you through how to contact Best Wallet supports using the Best Wallet mobile application. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Start off by tap and open the Best Wallet application from your home screen. Log into your wallet and then tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner from the home page. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Get Help. Now, you will be able to see top articles displayed on the screen. Search for any topic that you need help with using the search box. You can also go ahead and open up the FAQ or Frequently Asked Questions section, and there you will be able to see the answers to Best Wallet questions that has been asked by others. If the question matches one of these on the screen, you can tap on it and find reliable help for your selected issue. Simply go ahead and scroll through the articles and you will be guided through how you can resolve your issue that you may find while using Best Wallet. If your issue isn't resolved by the FAQs, look for the option to rate. If this answered your question, go to the bottom and see this "Did this answer your question" thing and tap on this sad kind of an emoji, and you will be able to see a "Send us a message" pop-up appearing at the bottom. Tap on the box and then you can go ahead and type in your request in the text box. Write down your message and make sure to address your issue and send it to the customer support team. Once you send a direct message to their support handles, you will then be guided through your issue. The support team will get back to you and you can contact them directly with your problem. Try to be as specific as you can be regarding your issue so that you can get best help from the support team. So that is how you contact Best Wallet support using the Best Wallet mobile app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.